Hello and welcome back to the Music Theory Challenge, where every day we are learning something new about music theory. Now, in the previous lessons, we learned some things that are super important for this lesson in order to be able to understand everything. So make sure and you watch the other videos where I'm wearing this same outfit so that everything makes sense today. Also, I've made a PDF. I made it with lots of love. There are PDFs to go along with every single video that is in this challenge. Grab your notes and let's go. So in the previous video, you learned that this is the staff. So go ahead and draw one for me. You also learned this is a treble clef. So go ahead and draw one. Make sure it loops around the G line. And you had learned your first note, but we don't need that one today. Now what we do need today is for you to draw this. Okay, look up first. This is how my music teacher would do it. He would draw a slash, and we're just gonna use the spaces. Just the spaces. After he drew a slash, he would just fill them in so they look more like note heads, like a quarter note note head or a single eighth note note head. We'll be adding note heads later. Right now, since we don't have a time signature, we don't really need them. Okay. The names of these notes are F, A, C, and E. So if there's a note on the spaces, it spells face. So that's how I remember them. So here, take a screenshot if you need to. And now let me give you a little pop quiz to show you that you can read music notation. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the 5 lines. 4, 5, and the treble clef. And what is the name of this one? What is the name of this one? What is the name of this one? And this one? Well, the way to figure this out is either you memorized anything that's on the bottom space is an F, anything that's on the second space is an A, anything that's on the third space is a C, and anything that's on the fourth space is an E, or you can always write it for yourself on the side like this. Make sure it's on the spaces and then just match it. A, C, and E. When you're drawing your notes on the spaces, make sure that they stay within the lines. So an incorrect way to draw these would be to take up 2 lines and the space. That's incorrect, and it's not very neat. Music notation tends to be on the neater side. And actually, if you're doing slashes like my teacher would do, that's totally fine too. So for today's class, just practice reading the notes on the spaces and memorizing F, A, C, E. In the next class, we're going to learn a few more notes, the ones on the lines. So I'll see you there. Make sure to grab the PDF if you would like to see these written out with music software, because I did use MuseScore for this. And hit the like button if you're enjoying the class. I'll see you there. Ciao!